Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Today, we're discussing how yoga can support healthy aging and improve mobility in seniors. Let's get started. As we age, maintaining mobility and overall health becomes increasingly important. Yoga offers a gentle yet effective way to support healthy aging. Here are some key benefits. First, yoga greatly improves flexibility, which is crucial for maintaining mobility as we get older. Let's try a simple seated forward bend. Sit with your legs extended, inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale as you reach forward gently. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Next, yoga enhances balance, helping to prevent falls and injuries, which is vital for seniors. Stand on one leg and place the other foot on your inner thigh. Focus on a point in front of you and hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. This pose improves stability. Yoga promotes joint health by increasing circulation and reducing stiffness. Get on your hands and knees for the cat-cow stretch. Inhale as you arch your back, which is the cow pose, and exhale as you round it for the cat pose. Repeat for 5 to 10 cycles to relieve tension. Yoga also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can enhance overall well-being for seniors. Let's practice a simple deep breathing technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Repeat this a few times. Creating a regular yoga routine can significantly benefit seniors. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes a few times a week, focusing on gentle restorative poses. Incorporating yoga into your life can support healthy aging, improve mobility, and enhance your overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with your questions or experiences. Thanks for watching and namaste.